So today we are over here taking a look at 922 West Vogel Ave in Phoenix. Now there's actually commercial property across the street. Now this is actually two separate units. The first one is a single family home. The second one is a duplex. You can see they both have stucco exterior. Both of them are going to need some roof work. So if we head right into the first one. See, there's a living room area there as soon as you walk in. It does have tile flooring. There's a big hole in the ceiling. So that will obviously need to be repaired. And then right through here, see, this is probably a family room area. Condition of the walls in here are okay. I'm certainly going to need some paint. Now right over here is the kitchen. Obviously the kitchen is a complete rehab. Then right down this way, that'll take us into the bathroom. Okay, so obviously the bathroom is a rehab. And if we head right into bedroom number 1 here, you can see there's no flooring. The walls are block, so that looks okay, but they definitely need paint. And then right across the hall we have bedroom number 2. Again, there's no flooring in here. The walls are block. Alright, so if we head outside, we can go take a look at the first unit of the duplex. So right through here we have unit number 1. You can see it's all boarded up. So the walls in here are definitely going to need some work. You can see the kitchen needs to be completely replaced. And right through here, looks like a bedroom. And then right around the corner we have the bathroom. So a little bit difficult to see there in the dark, but the bathroom has been gutted, so that needs to be completely replaced. Now if we head right around here, we can take a look at unit number 2. So this one is laid out similar to unit number 1. So again, the kitchen needs to be replaced in here. And back here is the bathroom. Again, it's a little difficult to see in the dark, but the bathroom has been gutted, so that will need to be replaced. So overall, obviously these units do need quite a bit of work. But it does present a nice investment opportunity. And again, this is 2 separate units. The first is a single family home, and then the second is a duplex.